All right, so I'm going to show you how to do some geometry. So let's look at how we can find the values of x and y in all these diagrams. So let's start with problem 5. So here we have these lines with these strange marks, which mean that these lines are parallel. Pretty cool, yeah? Now, since they're parallel, we know this angle and this angle are going to be congruent. So this is 35 degrees, and so y will then be 35 degrees. Okay. Now, we also know, because we're really intelligent, that this has to add up to 180 degrees because it's a flat angle. Since we have 35 degrees here, x will just be 145, yeah. Because 145 plus 35 is 180. So there you go. Right, number 6. Might have so many of these. Here we have that y is right here, and that 5x minus 17 is referring to this angle here. Now, again, this line is parallel with this line, so this angle is congruent to that angle, and we also know that this angle is congruent to this angle. Let me see if I have a different color. Blue, eh? Say this blue angle is the same measurement as this blue angle here. So this is 48 degrees then. And since this is a flat angle, we know that y plus 48 is equal to 180. And so then y is 132 degrees. Now, since y is 132 degrees, and since y is on the other side of this angle here, y plus whatever this is will equal 180. And what this is this. So we can have that y plus 5x minus 17 equals 180. You don't see that? Yeah, it's all good. Okay, so y is 132. So we have 132. Let me write this a little better. 132 plus 5x minus 17, add 17 to the right, equals 187. Take away the 132, so we have 5x equals 197 minus 132. That's 65. Divide by 5. Gotta get down low. And x will be, I believe that's 13, right? Yeah, x is 13 degrees. Or just 13, actually. Whew. All right. Number 7. So we have the lines here and here that are parallel. And so then this angle, which is 58 degrees, is equal to this angle, which is 2y. So 2y equals 58 degrees. Divide 58 by 2. That means that y is 29. Now, y is 29 degrees, and 2x is on this side here. But we also know, again, that this whole angle, 58 plus 2x is 180. So we can go ahead and solve this. 58 plus 2x is 1. And it's all being smushed in here. Let me fix it. 58 plus 2x is 180. Take away 58. We get 2x is 132. No, 122, right? Yes, 122, and then x will be 61. All right. All right, number 8. Okay, so Now we got the parallel lines being these guys. So that means that this angle is congruent to this angle. And we know that this angle plus this angle will be 180 degrees. Let me throw that away. So this whole thing, 180. So we can go 180 equals 5y minus 21. 5y minus 21 plus 6x plus 32. Okay. So let's use this 116 degrees to figure this out. And what we can do is then recognize that since this angle is on the other side of this one, that means this angle here is 116 degrees because this is going to be congruent to this. So we can have 116 plus 5y plus negative 21 is 180. So we can set this equation up as 5y minus 21 plus 116 equals 180. Minus 21 plus 116, so 5y. 201 minus 116, 84, 85. Divided by 5, and then y will be, what is that, 17, right? 17. Okay, yeah, 17. 10 times 5, 50. 7 times 5, 30. Yeah, 17. Okay, so now we go back and recycle. Throw the 17 into here. So we will get 180 equals 5 times 17 minus 21 plus 6x plus 32. Okay, so then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and write this up here. I'm gonna go like love. So we have 180. 5 times 17 is 85 minus 21 plus 32 plus 6x. Let's get rid of all this mess. Needs to be efficient here. So 180 minus 85 plus 21 minus 32. 84 equals 6x. 84 equals 6x divided by 6. And you will get that x is what? 14? 14? Yes. 14 degrees. All right, cool. All right, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or just want to say something about how great this is. And let me know if you have any other topics you want me to go over. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.